Guys, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we will be studying about phonetics and its types. It is the very basic and important topic of English linguistics. After studying and learning it, you all will come to know the correct and proper pronunciations of all the speech sounds used in English language, and it will aid you to pronounce the words in a perfect way. So first of all, we will get the concept of phonetics. That what is phonetics? Why we need phonetics in English linguistics? What does the word phonetics mean? So, it is the study of the characteristics of speech sounds. It means that we study the speech sounds, that how they are articulated, how the speech sound is produced, how the speech sound is emerged from our mouth, and after that how they travel in air as waves, and at last how they enter into our hearing system and how we perceive the speech sounds. In short, we can say that phonetics in phonetics we study the whole circle of speech sound from its emergence to its perception. Now there are three types of phonetics as shown. The first one is articulatory phonetics, second one is acoustic phonetics, and the third one is auditory phonetics. As from its name, it is clear that the first one, articulative phonetics, I am defining the articulative phonetics first of all, that as from its name, it is clear that here in this type, we study the articulation, the emergence, the production of sound, that how sound is produced, how sound is emerged with the help of the oral cavity. The second one is acoustic phonetics. Here we study the physical properties of speech sound in the ear. And the third one is auditory phonetics. Here we study the perception of sound. Our main interest in this video will be on articulative phonetics, that how sound is produced, how sound is articulated. So now there are two types of sounds, that is voiced and voiceless. We can find out either the sound is voiced one or voiceless by observing our vocal cords as shown here in the diagram. When we produce a sound and the vocal cords are apart, then the produced speech sound will be voiceless one. And converse to it, when we produce a sound and the vocal cords are not apart from one another, then the produced sound will be the voiced one. The second method to investigate that either the sound is voiced or voiceless is as that put your fingertip on your Adam's apple. If you feel some vibration, then the sound you produced is voiced, otherwise it is voiceless. I'll give you example that if we pronounce the speech sound z z z z z or v and put our fingertip on Adam's apple, then we can feel the vibration while pronouncing, while producing, while articulating, while emerging the speech sound as z or w. We can feel the vibration through our fingertip. So we can conclude that the sound z or v is a voiced one. Same is the case if you pronounce another speech sound as s or f, and put our fingertip on our Adam's apple. We cannot observe the vibration through our finger tip. I'll give an example as s, f. Here we can't feel the vibration by our fingertip, so we can conclude that these sounds are voiceless sounds. The third method to find the difference is to put a finger in each ear and produce the sound. If you feel some or hear some vibration, then the target sound is voiced one, otherwise it is a voiceless one. Now we will be studying the main difference between consonants and vowel sounds, that what is a consonant sound and what is a vowel sound. How can we recognize that the said sound is a speech sound is a consonant sound or a vowel sound? There is a very main big difference between these two speech sounds, that consonant sounds are produced by the help of tongue or any other part of the mouth, while vowel sounds don't need these parts for the articulation of sound. For example, the consonant sounds as p, b, t, d, k, g, m, n, v, ng, etc., etc. While producing these all sounds or speech sounds of consonants, we can observe that our lips, our teeth, or our tongue are in use while we produce these consonant sounds. While on the other hand, when we produce the vowel sounds as a, o, a, o, a, or the any part of the mouth, that is the tongue, the teeth, the lips, are not in use. So this is the main difference between these vowel sounds and consonant sounds. I'm not talking about the consonant or vowel alphabets. I'm talking about the consonants and vowel sounds. So inshallah, in the next video we will be studying in detail about every single speech sound, that how they are articulated or how they are emerged. Thanks a million for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.